guys, today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your WordPress app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to your here to this list. So then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. You come to apps list, and here you're looking for WordPress app, or just click on search. Add here WordPress, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. You come to next step here, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store. You click here on Play Store. Then you search here for WordPress, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.